quiet forest, there was a bird that refused to fly. Every morning the sky filled with wings, but this one stayed on the ground. Other birds called out to it, but it never answered. People thought it was injured, but it wasn't. One day, a young boy followed it, curious why it stayed behind. The bird kept hopping forward, then stopped, right beside a tiny hidden nest. Inside were 2 unhatched eggs. The boy watched for days. Rain came, wind howled, predators passed nearby. But the bird never left. Not once.